Ladies and gentlemen, these are vodka Jello snow cones. You're like, what the hell is a vodka Jello snow cone? Would you just sit back and watch? You got to be patient. Hot water. Come behind with some blue Jello. Okay, you like where we're going? You thought you knew it all? Bet you never seen this. Okay, blue Jello. Okay, stir. All right. Look at her. She getting all the corners, kind of like you're brushing your teeth. Added a little bit of vodka into this bad boy. There we go. Look at the vodka pouring from the heavens. Then come behind with a little bit of lemon lime soda. Y'all probably sitting there going like, does all this go in Jello? Just relax. You got to trust me, okay? You got to trust me, okay? It's a lesson in trust. Put it in the freezer to harden. That was the freezer. All right, and now we scrape it up. Okay, so this is kind of like an icy Jello feel. Okay, you got to give it a try. You got to try new things here. All right, y'all looking at this going, what's the piece hanging off the end? I'm thinking the same thing. I don't want the piece hanging off the end. Okay, and then we pour some more booze on top. Yes, stay tipsy.